In this video, you'll learn how to add Cloudflare Turnstile to your Cloudflare dashboard. We'll go through the process slowly and clearly, so by the end, you'll have a working Turnstile widget ready to use on your site. First, make sure you're logged into your Cloudflare account and you've selected the website where you want to use Turnstile. You should already be on the main dashboard for that specific site. This is important because Turnstile widgets are created per site and you want to be sure you're working in the right place. Once you're on the correct site dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu or sidebar with different options for that site. In that left sidebar, click on Turnstile. This will open the Turnstile management page where you can see any existing widgets and create new ones. On the Turnstile page, look for the button that says Add Widget. Click Add Widget to start creating a new Turnstile widget. This will open a form where you'll define how this widget is identified and how it should behave on your website. The first field you'll see is usually the widget name. For widget name, give it a clear descriptive name that tells you exactly where or how it will be used. For example, something like biology thesis contact form is much better than simply form or widget 1. A good name makes it easier to manage multiple widgets later, especially if you're adding Turnstile to different pages or forms across your site. Choose a name that matches the specific form or page, such as main contact page, newsletter sign up, or checkout form. Next, you'll need to set the domain. In the domain field, enter your website URL where this widget will be used. This should match the site you selected in your Cloudflare dashboard. Typically, you'll enter it in the standard format, such as your main domain, without any extra paths. The domain helps Cloudflare know where this widget is allowed to run, which is important for security and to prevent misuse. After entering your domain, you'll choose the widget mode. Turnstile offers different modes that control how the challenge is presented to your visitors. Depending on the options available, you might see modes like a managed mode that automatically decides how to show the challenge, or more explicit modes that are always visible. Select the widget mode that best fits your user experience. If you're unsure, the default or recommended mode is usually a safe and user-friendly choice, since it balances security and convenience without a lot of extra configuration. Once you've named the widget, entered your domain, and chosen the widget mode, you're ready to create it. Double check that everything looks correct, then click the button labeled Create. Cloudflare will generate the widget and usually provide you with code snippets or keys that you can integrate into your website or form. After clicking Create, you should see your new Turnstile widget listed in the Turnstile section of your Cloudflare dashboard. From here, you can copy any necessary site keys or configuration details and plug them into your site's code or your form plugin, depending on how your site is set up. That's all you need to add a Turnstile widget to your Cloudflare dashboard. You've selected Turnstile from the sidebar, added a new widget, given it a clear name, set the domain, chosen the mode, and created it so it's ready to integrate into your website.